Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I'm an eBay reseller. I've been doing that for many years. And I love to do unboxings, I love to do thrift hauls, and I love to do what sold videos. Probably my favorite is doing unboxings of the DIY designer boxes. Actually, the fun boxes do have their place in there too. I'm not gonna lie, that has kind of happened and developed over the last few months. But today I am going to do two things. I'm going to do an unboxing of a beautiful item that I ordered from my friend Misty over at Skeeter Jones, Misty at Skeeter Jones. And I'm also going to announce a sale and how you can find out when that is, because it's going to be a really good sale. So let's get started with this. By the way, the sale, it's my $5 and $10 sale. And I am going to be doing that soon. So anyway, I'm going to tell you how to get updates on that. But first, let's open this box from Misty. All right, let's see. I'm gonna put this on the top. There we go. Of course, she did a perfect job of packaging it up. That does not surprise me one bit. So Misty is a friend of mine. Misty at Skeeter Jones. She is a friend of mine. We met out here. She's also a reseller. She does hauls. She loves to resell as well and thrift. And she is great. She's gorgeous inside and out. She has great insight about brands and things to sell. And so please do, I will have her link in my description of this video. And please do check her out in her videos. You will really like her. She's got a really good, just a really smooth style of speaking as well. And so, yeah, please check out her channel. She's great. So another thing that Misty and I have in common is that we're both artists in our own way, and we like to make things. And Misty is an artist, and she made this piece. So I'm super excited. Ooh, there's a little card. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. That was the mark on the, where is, oh, it almost looks like metal, but it's a sticker. Isn't that cute? Okay, so I got a little card in here, which is great. Thank you so much for buying a piece of my pottery. I hope you love it, Misty. Oh, I think I will. Okay, so I love going to art shows. I love going to art shows, and I love looking at all the art that, especially pottery. There is a soft spot in my heart for pottery. I love the way pottery looks. I love the earthiness of it. And I love the fact that you can use a lot of the pottery items. They're useful, like they're art and they look great, but you can also use them. So I love pottery. And by the way, I also, well, I better not say that. I do love pottery though. Where I live, there's, that's what I was just going to say. Is where I live, there used to be pottery. So what in the world? How nice. Oh, that's great. Oh my gosh, how nice. She included some little extras for me, so that was nice. Okay. Here it is. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh. Ooh, how gorgeous is this? I don't know how, I don't know. I think I did pottery many years ago in school, but I mean, it was never anything like this. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh, there's so many things you can put in this. So my mom makes charcuterie, things for charcuterie boards, like markers and things like that. I could put that in here. I could put some flowers in here. I could put some of my paintbrushes in here, our art supplies. It's tempting to put my paintbrushes in here because I do paint quite a bit. And I don't know, you know what? Now I have too many uses for this thing. But I mean, look at this. And she signed the bottom. It's even more gorgeous. I knew it would be gorgeous, but it's perfect. The handles are perfect. I just love it. So anyway, so check out Misty's channel because she's amazing, and this is beautiful. I had to give you a little bit of a close-up here. Isn't that just so pretty? I love the earthy color of it too. And of course it's fall, so I pull out, you know, the items like this do come out at this time of year. So super excited. Misty, thank you so much. By the way, the price on this was very reasonable. I think it was only $12. I mean, that's an amazing deal. So thank you, Misty. I absolutely love it. This will not be sitting around. It'll be getting used in some way. I just don't know how yet. Okay, so next up is my sale. I have a sale that I'm going to be doing soon. And there was one person who asked me, can you let me know when you have your sale? So I do not want to bug people who don't want to know, but every now and then I will be having a $5 and $10 sale. And the items in that sale will be items that are just they're a little bit damaged. They won't sell, here or there. So, or they could be just something that I don't want to try to sell, or I've had it around here too long. It could be a multitude of things. But the $5 and $10 sale, and then the shipping is pretty low price too. I also do other sales, so if you want to be on my list to receive notice about when my sales will go live, I should be able to give you at least 8 hours notice. And so if you want to be on that list, because as you can imagine, if there are items like, Burberry items, Armani, and all maybe there's even, I don't think I have any Gucci this time, but they go really fast. And I can't tell you the number of people that go, I wish I would have been there. I wish I would have known, because then I would have bought blunt, whatever it is. And there is, a lot of them are damaged, but not all of them are. So anyway, if you want to be on my list to be notified, please send an email to mystefstyle@gmail.com. And then in the subject line or in the body, I don't care which one, just please write, put me on your list, mailing list, or put me on your mailing list, something like that. And then I'll just use the email that you sent it to me with to put you on my mailing list. And I'm just going to aggregate that list of people who want to be on there, and I will give somewhat of a notice before the sale goes live, because then you can be there and you can try and get the items that you want. All right, so that is it. Email me at mystefstyle@gmail.com. All right, thanks again to Misty and this absolutely stunning piece of pottery. This is just making my whole weekend. I love it. I love it. So thank you again, and we'll see you out here soon.